start again. It's a rich thing.
Turn the camera back on, and I couldn't get my finger in the hole because I got my gloves on. Somebody started to upset me again. Get down like this. Get down and have a bash. Oh look, I think I'm 17, 18 year old again. I'm on my racing bike. Quite comfy really. I need to sit back on the seat when I do it though, and then get down, that's it. Get down. No wind at all. Straight behind that bubble. Double bubble screen, straight behind it. What a lovely day. Fluffy clouds. I don't want them airplanes to go back. I know there's going to be lots of jobs losses and stuff, and it's coming when furlough finishes and stuff, but I hardly see any planes at all. You know, there's normally thousands of planes in the sky, there's none. I'm sure it's affecting the weather, them not being up there, giving all the rubbish out the back of them, all the water vapour or whatever comes out of the back of them, contrails. And yeah, I know it's going to come, but you see places around the world that have you know, picture before and picture after now, and they're cleared up and stuff, and there's no smog, and it's affecting the nice weather where we are. I checked my speedo then because that was a speed camera. I'm only doing 40, Mr. Speed Camera. Lovely bike. Wow. Yes. Right, I'm going to go home now because it's Father's Day, and after I'm sorry, 2:30 in the afternoon. Go home and see everybody. I had to get out. I've been out for a few days. Downshift and use the engine braking. The easiest way. I have to use the brakes then. These lovely trees everywhere, lovely. Yes, so BSB is coming back, and MotoGP, EP, I can't wait. On Eurosport, if you got Eurosport, it'll be on there, and I think MotoGP, if you haven't, you know, I haven't got linking there. I don't know, what is it? BT Sport, whatever it's called. I haven't got that, so I tend to watch any MotoGP. The race on Saturday, Sunday, and you'll watch it on Monday. I think it's Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's one of them days. It'll be on Quest, highlights on Quest or Channel 4. So if you want to watch that, you can. Most people have Eurosport now, and World Superbikes, which is coming back soon, and British Superbikes will be on there on Eurosport. That bloom Mini, come on Mr. Mini. Mini Estate. Right. Bye for now. That was a very quick one. I know. See you all later.